Alright, I'm back with another video today. I know it's been a couple weeks since I last posted, um, but I've just been a little busy and haven't really gotten to posting. But today I'm gonna make a couple more videos at least, this being the first. So today what I'm gonna show you how to do is print the last character of a string using pointers. And this can be any string that's passed through by user input. So I'll make a main function and I'll create another function as well to do the how to get the last character. So we'll start by including our standard IO library as usual. We're gonna make it a main function here, and we're gonna create a string here, which is, don't forget, a character arrays, and we'll just call it string. Make it 50, let's say. %49. Okay, so we're gonna scanf, get some input. You can even put a message if you want. Enter a string. And we can test that that works. String. Don't forget to return 0 at the end of the main function, by the way. So we're going to save that. GCC test.c /a.out. It's going to ask us for a string. I'm just going to say hello, and it's going to print hello. So that part works. We can delete this now. And now let's get into making the function. So first, we're going to have to make a function prototype here. Now we're going to have the function be a char because we want to return a character, which being the last character. And I'll just name it last. And the arguments that we're going to pass in is a pointer to a string. You can name this whatever you want. I'm just going to name it string so we know exactly what we're working with. Now down here, we have to copy the exact same prototype. You could just copy and paste it. I just rewrote it. And now let's get into the actual part. So we're passing a string in. We can create here a char last char equals. We're gonna put the function here last, and we're gonna put the string in whatever was passed. And after, I'll just have it print. It's gonna print the character, right? So last char equals that. Last underscore char. Sorry, I can't type. Alright, now let's get to the actual implementation. So we're going to put a little while loop in here. Remember, while loop only executes while the condition is being met. And we want it to go to the very end of the string. And as we know, strings are cut off by null terminator bytes, which is this. So what we're going to do is, don't forget to put parentheses, while string does not equal that. Okay, we want to keep going until it is equal to that, basically. Once it hits the end, then the condition is met and the while loop it breaks from the while loop. And we want to increment string. Basically, right now, asterisk star string points to the first character. So if we put hello, it's going to point to H. And we want to keep iterating through until it hits that last one. Then we're going to return pointer here, string, -1. Why the -1, you might be asking? Because now that we've hit the null terminator, right, where star string points to that, but we don't want to return the null terminator, we want to return the last char, the last character. So we're going to -1 from there. So that should be all the implementation unless I've done something wrong. Let's go ahead and GCC /a.out. We'll enter hello, and the last char is, okay, let me put a new line there for better readability. Okay. Okay, put hello, and as we're expecting again, the last char should be O. And there you go, it is. You can do this with anything else. The last letter would be G. There you go. And that is how you print the last character of a string using pointers.